I was just trying to remember.
It's meteorite, 25, 13, whatever it is. The evacuation plan.
The evacuation plan, yes.
It's not glass, really. Hey, I found a really bad phone placement.
Oh, that's shitty.
That's very.
Head on up to.
Let's go to phone. I'm gonna go to phone floor, please. Oh, the indicator's up there. You have to call to get access to the phone floor. Wait a second.
What?
Hold on.
What's up?
No, this is tough. Okay.
What building is? Oh, look! You can look at the indicator. Hold up.
Use the call button. Oh, we're too late.
There it goes.
And that's it.
Well, we'll watch it go down.
You just watch the indicator from here.
What a shame.
We lost it. I thought somebody might have accidentally or might have intentionally replaced the braille because there was another push to talk about.